Hi everyone, I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you some of the exciting new Semester 2 templates we have available for you to download from Commons. Most of you probably aren't working in a sandbox course for Semester 2 because you are now seasoned pros with Canvas. And so if you start building in your new course for Semester 2, it will be completely blank. So from there, go to the far right side where it says Import from Commons. Once it loads, go to the top where there's a search bar and type in D155 Spring 2021. And your search results will give you 3 new bright, cheery, and chipper templates for the spring semester. You have the same options as last semester in that you have a template that's going to be organized by week, a template that's organized by unit, as well as a template that has all of the different modules. So you have less of a homepage for a landing and more of kind of like a running syllabus list of all of the different coursework that you'll be using over the course of your semester. The first template is organized by week, and so you have a header image, you have some text where you can link your syllabus, and then you have a brand new set of buttons complete with new thematic pictures. So you can kind of click through all of these buttons will take you to a new module for the week, and we have a weekly Outlook skeleton there for you to fill in as you go through. So you can take a sneak peek at the modules as well, where you can see all of your weeks pre-dated along with a homepage weekly template for you to fill things in. The other option available is to download a template in which all of your content would be organized by unit instead of by week. And so here you have another header image as well as some buttons. Currently you have 6 buttons available, but you can also check out the template resources module for tutorials on how to create additional buttons to supplement your units in case you need more than 6. If you go to the modules links, you can see everything is built out for you. So each unit is kind of an open shell for you to rename. You can go to these 3 dots to edit the name of your unit. And then each unit also has an overview, and it is pre-populated with kind of a skeleton of some dates. Again, you can adjust the dates or the tables as you need to fit the units that you have. The last option is a module template in which there's not an actual homepage. So instead, it's kind of like a feed of all of the assignments over the course of the semester. So you can publish as many weeks that you would like your students to have access to. And again, it's pre-dated for you. You can add more descriptive information to the title by editing the title. And if you click into each of these home pages, there's a landing space for you to pre-populate your plan for the week to keep students informed about what's going on. So we have 3 great options available for you this semester. I hope you have one that will work best for you. If you need any help customizing or downloading the template into your course, be sure to let me know.